Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you again today with another 3Rivers market report for August 21st, 2024. And we have a lot of up airs, a lot of activity, a lot of things going up. Sometimes that's good, sometimes that's bad. We're going to dig into. We saw the most active available homes on the market that we've seen in years, which isn't saying much because inventory's been so low. But we did have 564 active available listings, up 24 from the previous week, up 4% week over week, up 34% year over year. New listings came in up 5% week over week, up 11% year over year. Solds came in up 9% week over week, down 11% year over year. Pendings came in up 5% week over week, down 5% year over year. Median sale price came in at $251,016, showing appreciation of 9%. And we had been seeing some depreciation in past weeks. So we're back into that green of houses going up in value. Days on market did slow up significantly. Average went up to 26. Average days on market up 9 from the previous week, and the median also went up 3 as well to 11. And we're seeing 26 average and 11 median versus last year at this time we were at 10 and 4. We also saw a significant issue on price drops. It looks like the amount of price drop listings is matching the listings coming on the market. Now what significance that has is to be determined, but it is kind of funny that it almost exactly matches over the last 30 days. The number of new listings matches the number of price drops. So you always got to remember to price it right. That's why you got to have an expert on your side. Last 12 comparables sold came in at 4,317, showing down 4% versus last year at this time. And we saw buyer demand drop a little bit because we have the more inventory. So it's going to drop. You know, if we get more inventory, you got more supply, demand drops, drop down to about 3.8 buyers per listing. Now don't get too excited because we're still in an extreme seller's market and we're still just under 2 months inventory. But that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.